A new sunrise glows over Bin Bin Farm, full of excitement.
Good morning, team. It's time to go digital.
We're building a modern, smart community, with online shopping and delivery.
Wow. The farm will be more connected.
We'll start with the new storage hub.
Can I help pack boxes?
Of course. An elderly Caucasian woman with glasses sketches a plan for a warehouse, delivery routes, and drone stations.
Tweet.
Flying deliveries?
Exactly. Boxes, tape, scanners, ready.
I'll pull the big crates.
We'll make it strong and spacious.
Like a big gift box.
Oops. I'm stuck to the box. My little package.
A young adult Caucasian woman connects computers, screens, and smart scanners.
Technology will make everything faster.
Drones ready for flight. I'll be their captain.
Let's try a test delivery.
Go, go, little flyer. Package delivered to the flower shop.
Perfect landing.
I'll design our online shop.
We'll sell fruits, juice, and cakes.
The screen lights up. Bin Farm Online Market is live!
Wow, we're famous. Look, new orders already.
Time to pack.
Strawberries, check. Orange juice, check. Check. Don't forget the invoice.
Everything must be neat.
Bin Farm logo on each box. Drones rise into the sky, carrying packages over the fields.
Traffic control ready. For larger loads, we'll make smart roads for trucks.
I'll help roll the gravel.
Sensors for safety and direction. All done.
It's like the road can think.
Start the smart truck. Beep, beep, let's roll.
Let's make a cozy cafe for pickup customers. Juice and cookies corner.
Around the farm community, neighbors place their first online orders.